Chasing Dreams Rap number 5 is the last one for today. But to finish it off, I'm going to give you a little bit of advice. Advice number 1 for www.chasingdreams.vpweb.com or for the cause, Chasing Dreams. Do you find your life is a little bit difficult? Well, then come to us. Do you find that you're living a lie? Well, then find the truth here. Do you find that you're getting no progress? No solutions to your problems? Then come to us. Because we provide solutions where things just ain't getting better for you. We will help bring the hope in the hopeless. Give you homes to the homeless. Give the jobs to the jobless. Make the struggles struggleless. So if you want to make a difference, then come to us and we can help you make a difference. If you need that difference in your life, then come to us. Because we are chasing dreams. And you can chase dreams too. All you gotta do is realize, just like Martin Luther King said, I have a dream. You don't just have to have a dream. You can chase that dream. Chasing dreams. We're here for you.